Okay, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Magical Math Mornings session 5 of this week, where we are going to advance the learning of the subtractions what we learned in the last two sessions. Okay, this one we are going to subtract, like many of you were asking, what about 2000, 3000, or 4000, or also number equal to the same number of digits? That step we are going to advance to now. Hope you are all familiar with the 10-point circle and the 9-point circle. Quickly, how to find out the ninth complement and tens complement? This is what we have learned, correct? Tens complement is nothing but the close friend couple which you will get by subtracting from 10. 10 minus 9 is 1, 10 minus 8 is 2, minus 7 is 3, minus 6 is 4. So when we say tens complement of 9, we say 1, tens complement of 8 is 2, 7 is 3, 6 is 4, 5 is 5. Same way, other way around. Tens complement of 3 is 7, 2 is 8, like that. Also, we have learned that what is 9's complement means what is the number that we have to add to this number to get 9. So 9's complement of 8 is 1. Correct? No? That means when you subtract this, you are going to get this. When you subtract this, you are going to get this. When you subtract 6, you are going to get 3. 5 means 4. Correct? No? These are the 9's complements. Just for a quick recap, because it's like a repetition of the skills, write 10's complement of these numbers quickly. You can keep telling while I say 10's complement of 5 is 5, 6 is 4, 3 is 7, 9 is 1, 1 is 9, 0 is 10, 2 is 8, 4 is 6. Same way we can do for the 9's complement. That means what you will get by subtracting these numbers from 9, or what we have to add to this number to get 9. Both are same. Correct? 9's complement of 1 is 8, 2 is 7, 0 is 9, 4 is 5, 8 is 1, 7 is 2, 5 is 4, 3 is 6. These are the 9's complement. Correct? So what is the formula that we learned? It is Nikhilam Navatascharamam Dashataha. All from 9, last from 10. The methodology what we learned was, suppose if we had 10,000 minus 4,576, what we found out, all these three numbers we'll find the 9's complement, and the last one we found the 10's complement. Correct? 9's complement, we don't bother about what is there on the top, just you write the 9's complement, 10's complement, that's it. 9's complement of these three numbers are 5, 4, 2. 10's complement of 6 is 4. Correct? Till here we have learned. But we are going to advance this one with the numbers instead of 10,000, 1,000, 1 lakh, 100 and all. Suppose if we have numbers starting with the other digits like 20,000, 30,000 and all. Let's take 30,000 and we want to subtract 2,496. What we do, 1 less than 3 we are going to take it as the first digit. Always just reduce 1. It is simple common sense that when we subtract these numbers from 0, we are giving 1 to the next digit. Correct? The same thing we are doing. We are subtracting 1 from 3. But here in this sutra, we are not going to write anything. Just we'll write 1 less than 3, that is 2. Rest of the things will follow all from 9, last from 10. All from 9 means 9's complement of these two, that is 7, 5, 0, and 10's complement of 6 is 4. This is the answer. Suppose we have 90 lakh minus 4,55,076. Okay, so what we do, 1 less than 9 we are going to write first. 9 means we'll write 8 and then we'll apply 9's complement to all these numbers and 10's complement to this last digit. Correct? 9's complement to these numbers is 5, 4, 4, 9, 2 and last one is all from 10. Correct? No, last one from 10. 10's complement of 6 is 4. This is the answer. Will you try a couple of numbers? Let's try them. Okay. Other than 1, if you have, what we have to do? Just we are writing 1 less than this one. Suppose we take 4 lakh minus 32,597. Do this and put the answer in the chat quickly. Write the answer in the chat box. Yes, perfect. Correct now. First one we reduce 1. Rest all we apply all from 9, last from 10. 6, 7, 4, 0, last one from 10, that is 3. Correct. What about instead of 4, we have some bigger number. For example, 35,408 minus 207. Sorry, 35,000. We'll go to those kind of numbers later on. Okay, 35,000 minus 207. What we'll do, whatever is the numbers that are left before this last digit, everything we'll consider and we'll write just 1 less than that. That is 34 we'll write. Instead of 35, we'll write 34. And rest is all from 9, last from 10. 9's complement of 2 and 0, 7, 9. 10's complement of 7 is 3. Understood? That means whatever, either 2 digits, 3 digits, 1 digit, it doesn't matter. Whatever digits that are there, we are going to write 1 less. We'll see one problem. I want you people to try this. 7,54,000 minus 499. Just subtract this and tell me the answer. Put the answer in the chat. 7,54,000 minus 499. Perfect. Correct. I hope everyone got the same answer. What we do, we are going to write 1 less for this. Yes, everyone is doing correct. 754 means we'll write 753. 49 from 9's complement, 50. And the last one from 10's. That is 10's complement, 753, 501. Suppose here till now, whatever the examples we had seen, all the digits were having at least 1 digit less than the previous one. Correct? Suppose we have, yes, I think there was a typing mistake. 1 is missed in the last digit, I think. Suppose we were having equal number of digits. For example, we have 30,000. And then we have 14,598. What we do? First one we do the subtraction. 3 minus 1. What we get 2, but we'll write 1 less. That means 3 minus 1 is 2, no? Therefore, I will write 1. Rest what we do? All from 9, last from 10. Okay. What is this? All from 9 means we'll get 5, 4, 0. Last from 10 means 2. Understood? That means first one we do the actual subtraction, but we'll write 1 less because we have already given 1 to this one. Correct? No? This has borrowed 1 from this. 1 is already less. So after subtraction, whatever is left out, we'll write 1 and then we just apply the formula Nikhilam. Correct? No? Nikhilam Navatascharamam Dashataha. All from 9, last from 10. Let's try this. 4 lakh minus 2,96,703. Do this. Just quickly, how fast we can write, you can think out, because when I'm explaining it's taking it's more time. Yes, perfect. If we do from the normal method, just to clear the doubt of one of the friends who had do here normally subtraction. What we'll do, 0 minus 3 is not possible, so we'll borrow 1. 10 minus 3 is 7. What is left out? Once it borrows, it will be having 9. 9 minus 0 is 9. Again 1 is borrowed. 9 minus 7 is 2. Same way 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 9 is 0. Then 1 is borrowed, so 3 is left. 3 minus 2 is 1. But how you people have written this one? Just directly we have written, correct? No? Just 4 minus 2 is 2. Just write 1. Then write the complements. Correct? No, 9's complement. 0, 3, 2, 9, 7. It is actually lot of time saving technique, this one. Okay. Let's take one more example. Combining the techniques what we have learned yesterday. Suppose we have 40. We'll take little bigger number. Suppose we have 90. No, it's okay. Some small mistake, it can happen while typing, but let's take this. Okay, 90 lakh minus 34 lakh 50,900. Will you try this? 90 lakh minus 34 lakh 50,900. Quickly try to put the answer in the chat. So one answer I have got correct. Two people did mistake. In a out of doing in a hurry, they did mistake. What we have to do? First, we'll take this digit. 9 minus 3 is 6. So we have to take 1 less 5. This everyone has done correct. And all from 9, last from 10 applies to only these digits. Correct? Yesterday we had seen that. Any zeros completely at the rightmost end, we neglect them. We'll write zeros as it is. We apply all from 9 and last from 10 only for this. 9's complement of these things are 5, 4, 9, comma 10's complement of the last one is 1. Then we'll write for everything 0, 0. Correct? 5549,100. Only when we have zeros at the end, what we are going to do? We are going to just write zeros as it is, and we'll be considering the actual subtraction from here only. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do one or two problems combining all the mix. Okay, let's take 37,000 minus 4,280. Do this. While subtracting, we'll do this together and then we'll write one less. Put the answer in the chat. Let's check. Many of you have one answer we got correct. Dhriti has done this correct. All others, you did some small error, correct? No? Either while typing or while doing. What we are going to do, all the last digits we do the simple subtraction. 37 minus 4 equal to what? 33. Isn't it easy to do the subtraction as a whole instead of 3 and then doing some subtraction? 33. So I will write 32. Apply all from 7, last from 10 only for this. Correct? No? 9's complement of 2 is 7. 10's complement of 8 is 2. Last one 0. We'll write as it is. Correct? Yes. I think you did the correction now. Correct? No? After doing, you understood what is the error. Let's try this. 4 crore 50 lakh minus 36 lakh 70,800. Do this. Yes, we got correct answer now. Correct. I think you people have understood that trick. Correct. Others, please try it. It hardly takes 2 seconds. Correct. While writing, we should not do error by skipping one digit. Okay. See, first one 45 minus 3 is 42. So I will write 41. Rest I will apply all from 9, last from 10, only to these digits. Correct? No? 9's 3, 2, 9. Last one is 10's complement 200. See here, while doing 45 minus 3 is 42, so I'll write 41. Rest everything I will apply, all from 9, last from 10. This requires a little bit of a practice because we are habituated to doing the subtraction by borrowing and carrying. No, sometimes we'll find little difficult. So we should learn how to do a simple subtraction of a two-digit number or three-digit number from which, if you want to subtract only one digit, just we need to do a practice. 96 minus 4, 92. 78 minus 5, 60. Sorry, 78 minus 5, 73. Like that, we should be able to tell very fastly. Then, the rest of the things applying is very easy. Okay, and this method of using Nikhilam Sutra, we tend to forget after few days. So, I'm giving you this weekend break. Please practice as many numbers as possible. You write randomly while having zeros on the left side, zeros on the right side, and all. And then you should become thorough because Monday onwards we are going to accelerate our learning. How about this? 96 minus 45. You should be able to do. Or 124 minus 87. Or 2036 minus 1042. These kind of numbers how to do. This is what is the main practical thing, correct? No? We are going to learn these things from Monday onwards. So till then, practice the Nikhilam Sutra, all from 9, last from 10. Maybe you can just write randomly all the single digit numbers and try to write 10's complement and 9's complement to make you familiar with this one, because simultaneously shifting from 9's complement to 10's complement requires a little bit of a practice. If you don't practice, we are going to forget that one. Okay, and in Monday session we are going to take it to super fast subtraction, where we are going to do the subtraction in the form of addition, and also we'll do some substitution methods, very easy methods, which is going to help you in all practical situations. Like, hope you are all enjoying these sessions and you have learned something. What I say, in the weekend, if you think you have learned something, ask your friends also to subscribe. And by the, I think most of you have completed your midterm exams. Ask your friends also to join sharp at 7 a.m. Join sharp in time, so that the introduction part some of you are missing by joining 2-3 minutes late. So join sharp at 7, so that you people will learn the best and you will become the mathematician to find that maths ka maja. Correct? We remember maths mein maja hai. Bye. See you Monday morning sharp at 7.